Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get custom headlights and custom taillights, or basically just change their color in Rocket League. This tutorial will be quick and it only works on PC. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you need to have a plugin called Bacchus Mod and have it installed. So to install it, all you have to do is go to your, for example, browser. And on browser, you want to be on bacchusplugins.com, and here on Bacchus Mod, you will see download Bacchus Mod. So that basically will install a zip file, which is, I'm going to show you in a second. This is how it looks like. All you need to do is just basically extract it to your desktop. After that, you will see this folder pop up, and you need to double click on this exe mod setup. Once you will install Bacchus Mod, you will have it here, and once you double click it, that's how it will look like. It should write injected in order for it to work, but basically that's how it will look like. Now, in order to open it on your Rocket League, all you have to do is click F2 or FNF2. It just really depends on your keyboard. And after that, you will see here those quick settings and what you need in order to change the headlights and taillights. You need to install Alpha Console plugin. So again, it is on your browser here. Here it is on plugins. And you need to just click install and then click open plugin installer. You need to open Rocket League in order to install it. Now, after that, once you will open it and you will have Alpha Console, first of all, you need to toggle Alpha Console menu. Now, if you are having some problems with your Bacchus Mod or with the plugin installation, I'm going to leave the link how to install Bacchus Mod in the description below. Or you can also write a comment down below. I'm going to help you. So to change the headlights and to enable them, you need to just be on the car option and then scroll down. You can also enable underglow, as you can see, and also do a wheel camber. There's a lot of things you can do on this, but to have a headlights, as you can see, here it is. You can enable it, you can make it brighter, use car primary paint color, or you can just go ahead and change it to whichever color you like. So yeah, that's basically how it works. You can change it for both teams, and now on taillights, it's also the same. That's how you enable them. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you have found this guide useful. And I will see you next time. Bye.